What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be fishing, and it's super windy out here. The wind just blew the camera down. Sorry about that, guys. But I'm about to reel in poles I left out last night, and then I'm going to fish some more. Oh, come on, this wind's crazy. I'm going to prop you guys up a little bit lower. Sorry, but I have to. Alright, I'm going to reel this one in first. My big boy, Slack. So, here, man. I think I got something. I got him. We got something. Ooh, double up. Two nice white perch off of one pole. Two pretty nice ones. I'm gonna get my face in here. Alright, probably gonna be the thumbnail. Alright, so I'm gonna unhook these guys. We'll actually keep fishing for east today. So these are gonna be kept for food. This one got hooked really deep. So I'm gonna try to unhook him above the camera so you guys don't have to see me get it out. Okay, that was really simple. And I'm gonna throw him in our little homemade live well over here. I'll show you guys that in the future. So I'm just gonna throw these guys in there. I threw them in there. Time to check the other pole, which is right over here. Now, if there's something on this pole, it has to be massive. It's a big pole. Doesn't feel like anything. Still gotta check it and rebait it. Nothing on this one. So we're gonna rebait, and I'll record me getting the poles back out there, alright? Alright, so to catch more bait for my bigger hooks, I'm gonna have to use my cast net and get them out there. So let me grab my cast net real quick. My cast net's ready to be thrown. So I'm going to throw it. My pliers just fell in the water. Put them right here. Alright, let's go to the cast net. Catch some. Got something. Oh, yeah. Got a lot of fish. Okay. Let me bring you guys over here and show you all the fish I caught in the net. Alright. Show you all the fish I got in this net. That's one cast of the net. Boom. And if you guys can't see all these fish, well, we have a ton. Oh man, it's super windy out here. We have a whole lot of fish. So I'm about to get this pole out, and I'll get to you when I actually catch a fish, okay? Okay guys, I'm actually heading back. That's gonna be the end of this video. It's so cold and windy out here. I can't. All I got is a sweater. As you can see, it's really windy. Hope you guys can hear me. But so that's gonna be the end of this video. I still have the lines out, but I'll check them on my own time, because my phone's about to die too. That's what I'm recording on right now. So you guys already know what it is. Be awesome, and bye.